maybe people can spending more time in the internet. So we are here and want to show our company and our products.
Yeah, please follow us on the different society media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. We'll keep posting the latest product information there. So you can see the screen here. You can follow us on this account.
Yes, so first of all, we would like to introduce our company and talk about the channel products developments and our product basket. So let's show some physical products.
And now you can pay attention to the screen. See, these are our industrial park photos. The company was established in 1986, occupied 200,000 square meters, and we have around 2,000 workers.
Yes, not only the industrial park we have, but also some impressive buildings in the town we have, like Huayilights Plaza, Lighting Era, International Hotel, and more. If you have the chance to come here, we will sure that you will be shocked to see around.
And you know, Jasmine, Huai is the first one to have the national class laboratory in Zhongshan Guzhen, which is CNAS approved, and the test qualification is authorized by the third party like SGS and TUV. And our products here have different certifications like CE certifications for the European markets, ETLs for the Northern America, EIS for India, RCM for Australia, and so on.
Yes, it seems you have interested in our company, right? So let me show you our factory. See, you can notice the screen like same advanced machine we like auto punching machine, which can handle a giant base lights, and laser cutting machine can cut the metal very accurately and make the lighting shape more exclusive. Here, now we just show you some picture of our indoor lighting production line 8 lines, but we also obtained the outdoor lighting production line and decorative lighting production line. If you are interested, we will have another colleague to see you go around.
That looks very professional. So can we have some information about the products here today, because I see you post many products here.
Don't worry, Albert.
Okay.
Let's show you our showroom first. Like picture, we have the indoor lighting, in which we can explain all the basic spec about the lights, and the outdoor lighting, which can make the fancy landscape effects, and the decorated lights for the projects. But maybe it will be a little boring just to look the picture. So how can we show it more impressive, Albert?
Thanks to the technology, we create a VR link, which we can help you to explore our showroom and the factory just like in person. But we also record some videos and you play all day around. I'm sure you have already seen it. So if that is not enough, you can directly ask our colleague to just make a conference call and face to face.
Okay, yes, it will be shocked, and you can feel the real showroom without going outside like right now. So next, Albert, could you please show our market combination?
Yes, of course. The wholesale market, which are same as the channel buyers, like big brands or trading companies, take up around 60% share, and the project channel take the other 40%. And come to the world map, as you see in the on the screen.
Yes.
You can see our main channel market is Europe and Asia. LED is a trend for the environmental friendly these days. I believe that the whole market will keep growing and we will be benefit from it.
Of course, but Albert, what a shame that we are absent in the Lights and Build Frankfurt this year.
Yeah, but indeed the online Cannon Fair is here now, so the client can see all our products just in their house. For the coming fair, like Guangzhou International Lighting Fair,
yes,
or the Hong Kong Fair, maybe we will still meet you on the internet. Who knows? But Jasmine, what do you think is the most important part for a company?
I think every part is equally important, like the R&D team. See, it combined with different small but smart team, like our architectural lighting, decorated lighting, and others. Although we introduce these parts very simply, but in the following products introduction, I'm sure you will feel our strong development power.
I want to listen about a story about your lights development.
Yes.
What experience do you have, or could you please share or introduce something for us?
Okay. Actually, in order to make the development much more easier or cost-effective, our team can help you to develop the products you want. You can notice the screen. We have shown the whole process, and you can learn about how we work.
Do you mean OEM or ODM service for the clients?
Yes. Now I would like to tell you detailed story. See one of our shopping mall lighting solutions.
Yeah.
At the beginning, the designer gave us an idea like they just want an adjustable downlight, but with invisible heatsink. Just like the middle solution, we provide kinds of the check light and the service mounted downlight. But my feeling told me that it was not easy to win this order.
Well, I think so, because the clients or the designer, they always have something very special in their mind. So they have their opinions about the lights. So we have to provide several solutions to them, not only one. So during this stage, we can set up the confidence between each other, because we can talk to each other, right?
Yes.
So this is a win-win business.
Exactly. So for the first proposal, we couldn't get approval, obviously, and the designer make the drawing like the pictures.
Okay.
Yes. After that, we provide client drawing and the idea to our R&D team, and get some technical details. And of course, at the beginning, we provide the initial drawing on December 2018, but we got the final confirmation on June 2019.
Okay, from December 2018 and June 2019.
Yes.
Seems only half year, right?
Yes.
But as my experience, half year is not very long time for the product development. Since if we want to develop some perfect items, it takes at least 1 or 2 years. So but sometimes it will be shorter if we have some exact resource. But 6 months is really short.
Yes, but during these 6 months, we are not just to finish some appearance of the model, but we also need to improve the technical details, like the structure, like the lumen outputs, specular, and so on. So for the mood, you can notice that the screen, we provide 2 proposals for them. One was economical, and the other was original design. But the designer's mind, once they decide something, it is hard to change. Even we propose the cost-effective solution, they didn't want it.
Okay, I see you brought one sample here today. Is it the same lights here?
Yes, this is the final product.
Very big one.
Yes, very big.
Okay, so I guess not everyone is pursuing some cheap products, especially like designers, because they have some special requirements for the lights.
Yes, exactly. So for the next part, and the lumen outputs and the specular, they also demand very strictly. Initially, the clients just provide the budget for us. We gave several solutions, but finally they selected the Cree chip. But because of the quantity, we also need to negotiate with our chip supplier to cut the cost and push the order. That is also our responsibility.
Right. So the important thing is to give a suitable solution, not just like cheaper and cheaper, right? So we need to change the position with the clients and think, not just lower our head and just work.
Yes. Under this situation, we also need to find the material suppliers like the C reflector. You see this, our final product is a very big size.
Yeah.
Yes, so we also developed together with our reflector suppliers, since there is no such the big size item.
How big is it?
It's the 2020.
Okay.
Yes, my friends, but my story not finished.
Okay, just... Of course, after finishing the developments, you know, everyone wants to see the physical samples.
Yes.
Not just like the drawings on CAD or just some papers, right?
Yes.
So next step, I think we need to, you know, do the mock-up for them, right?
Yes, of course, we have do them. For example, like we will make 3 pieces. Like for the first one, we will provide for our clients. Second one, we will keep in our sales departments. And the last one, we will keep in our factory QC departments. Better for the factory to refer when proceed the bulk production.
Okay.
Yes, and most importantly, the sample is to arranging the test. As we talked before, we have the lab with all advanced equipments.
Right.
And we arranged to make the test like spectrum testing, high temperature aging test, and some basic data test.
I think test is very important. This is for the quality. How about the VI design for the clients? Because, you know, a product need a very good packing, just like, you know, every women, they need a beautiful dress.
Yes, packing always important. You see the screen from the label, sign mark, laser logo on the fitting, and instruction manual. They have their own design. If they begin to do their brand, we could also provide our idea for them and help them to improve the design and strengthen their brand recognition in the market.
Sounds good. So you know, your story is not very long, but I'm sure the work is very complicated.
Yes.
So today we have brought 9 series hot cell products here for you. So let's see what we have here.
Yes, are you ready, everyone? So, but you know, Albert, like the hot cell 9 series, they also have the story. They are not just, we call them hot cell.
Okay. Now remember that we check our system data very clearly and also choose something very new based on the market research.
Yes, everything deserve. You can see the picture. We have the products type like SMD and COB downlight, check light, ceiling lights, and floodlights.
Okay.
But every market is different.
Yes, at the same time, we divided the clients into several types, like the importers, wholesalers, distributors, and the retailers. Each of them have very different market reference. For example, like the importers, right? They buy a very, very huge quantity, but you know, the price is the lowest one. And the retailer, on the contrary, they prefer to buy something special, like architectural lightings, but with a small quantity. So this is more easier for them to manage the stock.
Yes, exactly, Albert. And we will send the annual reports to our clients. We can discuss together like their market wholesale items, which might be able to offer us the product development direction. So you see, within this 9 series our products are complete, including like downlight, panel light, surface mounted downlight, ceiling light, and some outdoor lighting.
Okay.
Yes.
So today we have much to talk about. So let's get started.
Okay.
Right. On the screen, you can see different product type here, which Jasmine just mentioned about. And most of them, we have samples here today to show the clients.
So firstly, we would like to introduce our downlight series. They are separate from SMD and the COB type.
Okay.
Yes, but all of them are the die casting aluminum. About the SMD type, we also separate from the ultra thin type and the type with the UGR less than 19. They all have the complete wattage.
Okay. So we can have a test on the effects of the downlights.
Yes, we can light them on.
Talking about this downlights, this is a flat type, right?
Yes, this is a flat type. And this is the type with the UGR less than 19. But maybe some clients will ask, they always listen, they always hear the UGR. What does the UGR means, Albert? Okay, so UGR is an international standard to evaluate if the light is comfortable or not, the effect. I mean, after the installation, maybe you will feel the light is so glare, so it's hurt your eyes, so you feel not comfortable. But if UGR is less than 19, means the glare is acceptable. So this is one standard. Okay, so could we turn this type on? Okay, so this one you can. The UGR is less than 19? Yes, this one.
So you can see a difference, right?
Yes, you can notice the frame of them. This ultra thin type, the frame is flat. But this one, why it could be reach the UGR less than 19? Because this we have the step here, and can decrease the glare when it lights. Okay. So we also have another type of the COB. What's the something special? It seems very common. Okay. So we have tested. We can also test these samples here. Firstly, we can turn them on. I have a look first. Okay. So we have samples here, and this is a COB type, and we already make the market research about this type. Firstly, we feel something like this is quite old design, right? But after our market research in the Middle East market, actually this one is so popular. Do you know why? Maybe they are strong and like the bigger size. Maybe, but because previously many people they are using CFL fixtures, right? Yes, yes. So CFL fixture is a big one, like 8 inches or 6 inches. Yes. So now everybody wants to change to the LED to save the power or save the cost. So and they feel that maybe COB is kind of like LED symbol. Okay. So yeah, this is what we show here. Okay, obviously about this time, we just obtain 18 watt, 24 watts, and 35 watts, such the big wattage, the type of the markets. So let's go to the next part. Okay. Okay. So we must emphasize that every type is based on our, like that time we based on our Middle East markets research. Okay, so what type will you use in your house, Jasmine? Well, I would like to use like some architectural spotlights and some mirror lights with 3000K. And that type will make you feel more warm. But I live with my parents.
Okay, so do I.
So they are old and always complain about they're too dark to use the spotlight, to use the mirror lights. So they will always prefer to use the panel light.
Yes, maybe it is because the panel light has a wider beam angle, so they always feel it's brighter, you know.
Yes.
But the panel light, we also can, you know, divide them into two types. One is the recessed type, something like this, and the other one is a surface-mounted one, like that type. So see the trimless lights here. Today we brought.
Okay.
So I'll also show the effect for you.
Yes. At the same time, you can notice the screen not like the other type. The screen is very, how to say, it's very smoothly.
Okay.
And Albert can try the light.
So this is the light effects. You notice something different from this type, or maybe between this type and this type?
And maybe the thickness is very important, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And also, you know, these lights, the edge even can be illuminated. So this is the biggest feature on this product. So this idea comes from the, you know, the latest cell phone design. Like our cell phones, like we will have a curved edge screen.
Yes.
And this light is much like the cell phones. And we also have a fast connector type here. So when the driver failed, we can change the driver very easily.
Yes. And for the second type, see our sample here. See our sample. You can measure the thickness. Let me check.
Okay. I have a ruler here for you.
Okay, let me check.
So how thick is this one?
It's just 1 centimeters. So the thickness is very, yes. This design is also considered by the team to optimize the light effect. And also you can notice these clips can adjustable. Can be very conveniently when installed.
What is it for?
Because some people like me, if I installed in the, I think it will be very difficult to install this light. Yes, very difficult to fix to the ceiling. But with this design, I can use it very conveniently. Not ask my father every time to change the light. Yes.
I think this cutout is also adjustable, right?
Yes.
So even you make a wrong cutout, don't worry. Okay, we can still install it.
Yes.
And can you introduce the third type? This one is also a panel light, as I see.
Yes, you can feel this trim.
There is a step here.
Yes, you know, also this design can reduce the glare and can guarantee. Although this type select by my parents, but this type, yes, but this time can make them to look around very clearly and feel more comfortable by the lights.
Okay, I can also see this light is very cost effective because the driver is built-in, and also the whole fixture is plastic. So maybe this one is, you know, you can make some promotion to the clients.
Yes, of course.
Make some price reduction. Some of the people, they don't want to cut the hole, right? Now, because maybe they are using the concrete ceiling or something. So what can we propose?
Yes, that is the good question. They can use the surface mounted downlights, and also we divide into the two parts. Yes, just now we talked. We have two types. The first one is for the SMD, and the second one is for the COB type.
Okay, I know this type, Jasmine. I very oftenly see this item on the market. So I think this one is very common, nothing special. So what's our point here? Is it very cost effective?
half costs, always competitive for the series we show today.
Okay.
Most importantly, about the price, we also have the promotion, a big promotion during this special Canon Fair. Let's break in our promotion time.
Okay.
You can notice that our promotion poster on the screen.
What promotion we have here today?
Yes, you can notice our promotion poster on the screen now, right? We will give you up to 10% discount from now to the end of the Canon Fair, 25th June. If the order over 20,000 USD. But if you could not catch this time, don't worry.
How?
We still could give you up to 6% discount to 5th July. So don't miss the big chance.
Don't miss the big chance and hurry up to contact the below sales. You can ask our colleagues, maybe they can offer you, more discounts. I don't know. Okay.
Yes. Okay, so now let's back to our service downlight series.
We're talking about this one now, right?
Yes. I have 2 samples in hand now. I have 2 samples here in hand. One is produced by ourselves, and the others provide by other suppliers from other markets.
Okay.
It seems the same on the front side, but let's see the back side.
Maybe we can go to the camera and show the clients.
Okay, it will more clear.
I'll help you.
Okay,
Bring
thank
this
you.
one.
The back plates of us, it can lock very tightly, and the lights will not leak out. But here, compared with other sample, the back plates is very loose, and we have checked inside. It also needs some other plates to fix, not very stable, and will do harm to the heatsink.
Usually, I think the things looks the same, but details depends. It's very useless to just compete the price. And the painting, I think here is also different, right? From the back side, as I see.
Yes, exactly. The painting also will influence the cost. Obviously, our products have the uniform painting. You can notice the details. Even the gap between the back plates and the front side, we will make it much more carefully. But for other sample, yes.
Here you can see.
Yes, see here.
So what's the point? What's the point on here?
So just now we talked. Painting also will influence the cost.
So I think these are actually very detailed points. But from the appearance, they are the same actually. So I think the details decide the product and also the price. No joking.
Yes, you are right. And for the COP type, we design. We also have two design. This time we bring the type with the frosted glass, but you also can change the type like just now the downlights, which we have the frosted design in front of the COP.
So it's not glare, but I think because somebody they will think COP means glare,
yes,
not comfortable. But I see here we use a frosted glass even or just in front of the COP chips, so we can feel more comfortable, right?
Yes.
Maybe we can also turn this on.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I see the effect is okay, acceptable.
Yes. And how about the other one?
Okay. we also need to turn it on?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
to compare the different light effects of the...
Let's turn on them both.
Yes, SMD and COB.
Let's turn on them both. Okay, so this is a different type. This is COB and this is SMD.
Yes.
And you can see a different effects. Because I guess many, maybe some project clients, they don't know what is SMD or what is COB, but now you know.
Yes, now we have the good explanation here. Okay, so let's go to the next series.
Okay, so next one is a ceiling light, I think.
Yes.
This type is we use a lot in the house, right, Jasmine?
Yes, it must be the ceiling light.
Okay. For the ceiling lights, you can notice the minimum voltage is 12 watts here, and the maximum is 30 watts. Like the living room, 24 watts is normally enough already.
Yes.
12 watts will be, enough for the bedrooms. So like the left side on your screen, you can see the left side. The left side, we also designed the CCT changeable with the remote controller. What is CCT changeable? Means the color temperature can be changed. Yes. Maybe we can also test here.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so this is cold white color temperature.
Yes.
And when we turn it off and turn it on, it becomes a warm white. So
maybe this type 3000K, like maybe will suitable in the
bedroom.
In the bedroom before you go to bed.
Okay. So we turn it off and turn it on again, it becomes 4000K. So totally you can get 3 color temperature in one light.
Yes.
Integrated. Okay. So we can apply in different application at home. No matter like bedrooms or kitchens or some other places, you can also use this one.
Okay, how about the right side? What is the advantage of it? We also have the sample here, but I think that just the appearance is different. What is the real difference? Okay,
good questions. This one, could you notice the trim we use here is aluminum type?
Yes.
And also we we designed the whole structure as a waterproof structure.
Okay.
So this item is IP65, means waterproof. Normally we call waterproof simply. So this can be better used in toilets.
Okay. So here comes the street lights. The biggest advantage is the flexibility normally. We use in the curve or some location which have the slot to hide the strip light.
Okay.
Yes.
And based on the voltage, the strip light can be divided into high voltage strip lights or low voltage strip lights. Sometimes using high voltage strip light is very easy. This high voltage strip lights you can directly connect to the power. Yes. And turn it on. But low voltage strip lights we need to use a remote drivers. So many people feel why should I use a low voltage strip light? It's more costly and more complicated on the installation. So this is the first type to divide it based on the voltage input. The second type, secondly, we can divide it the strip light into IP20, IP65, or IP67. This means a different waterproof color, waterproof ability. Okay. So IP20 we can use in house. IP65 we can use something, some areas like wet areas in toilets or kitchen. IP67 strip light we can use directly exterior environment.
Yes, here, yes, when speaking the IP20, IP65, maybe some clients or some audience didn't how to distinguish them, which one is IP65, which one is IP67, which one is IP20, or which one is the low voltage, which one is the high voltage.
Maybe we can Yeah, just have a look, a close look on the products.
Okay, so for this one you can notice this just a.
Can you show our clients there?
Okay, no problem.
Maybe more clear from a closer distance.
Yes, like this one, they are just some bare PCB board, so without the silicone, right?
Okay.
Yes, so that is we call the IP20 strip light, and you can also notice it not with the some like the plug. So this also the low voltage. Maybe let me see, is the 24 voltage low voltage type. And how about others?
How about the IP65? Don't go.
Okay.
Please continue. You can use this one.
Okay, so like this one is the IP65 Albert just mentioned with the silicone, right?
This is the cover, right?
Yes.
Silicon cover.
Silicon cover, and for this one is the high voltage 2020 volt to maybe 2040. Okay.
So normally, the cost which decided the strip lights, the spec is like how many chips you use per meters. The more chips you use means the more even lights you can get. Because some client they said, I don't want to see the dot, I don't want to see the light dot. So it means they will require to use more chips on 1 meter strip lights. Okay. Okay. And here, even the strip light, the low voltage strip lights, we have a different voltage input because they are both low voltage input. One is 12 watts input, one is 24 volts input. But normally the 24 watts input, we can load it longer than the 12 watts input. Okay. So normally we use this one in project.
And you can also notice our packaging. We designed 5 meters per row and came with the 80 watt driver.
So normally we can ship to the clients like 1 row with 1 drivers, 1 set.
Yes, but like for some projects, every space have different lengths. Maybe for the project, if you have the needs, you can tell me before you place the order. Tell me how long the meters you want to cut, and you must tell us.
I think the clients can also cut at sites, but we need to supply more accessories like the end caps and the connectors and the glues, so they can manage at sites.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, but that was for project. Now we are talking about the channels, right?
Okay, yes. Okay, about the package, you can also check the below pictures, which belong to one of our clients. In order to, they design this in order to impressive the company image. Like you can notice the inner box and the outer box also will print their company's logo on it.
So this is designed by who? From the clients, or we help to design?
Half, because you know we Huayi have a giant database. If the clients like you maybe just begin to sell the lighting, maybe we can provide our experience or our other clients sample for you to design. But like some big company, like some top brand like Panasonic or Philips, maybe they will give their design to us, and we can also follow their step.
What else can we do on the package?
Yes, I would like also. You could also print your logo. You can notice. Could you show in front of our?
It's my turn. So the logo is here, right?
The logo. Yes. You can print your logo on the PCB board.
Can you see?
Yes. This time we print our Huayi logo.
Okay.
Yes. So even like this very basic products we talked now, pay attention to every details and you will get them much more markets.
So
similar the products as the strip lights. We have kinds of the cabinets for your reference. You know, Albert, like me, always thinks my clothes and the skirts not enough. Not beautiful enough, not colorful enough.
I think every girl just like you, not never satisfied with your clothes.
Yes, because always I think it could be colorful and beautiful enough when I decide to buy them in the shop. But when them enter my wardrobe, oh my God, too dark. I think a lack of the cabinet lights, I even cannot find them, even they are new.
Like you said, you want to make the clothes more colorful, so the cabinet lights comes out. But unfortunately, we don't have samples here today. So maybe you can send the latest brochure to our clients.
Yes, of course.
And the difference between the strip lights and the cabinet lights is, you know, the cabinet lights could better be fixed with the cases, like the wardrobe, the cabinets. The strip light is soft.
Yes.
It's flexible. So you can notice that we have 7 types of the products here on the screen. Surface mounted, recess mounted, front or back installation. No light spots, very even light effect. You know, the cabinet lights also can be set it with the smart switch.
Oh, smart switch always make me more convenient to use it.
Smart switch, I'm sure you have seen already in some hotels, right?
Yes.
When you open the wardrobe, then the lights will be turned on. When you close it, the lights will be off. So so the lights can be also with the touch sensor. The touch sensor means like the CCD color temperature changing items, which we showed just now. When you touch the button, you can change the color. So very smart, very convenient.
It sounds
you can even use in your kitchen, because many friends told me that, you know, in the kitchen they don't have enough lights.
It sounds a good idea. So here comes our check light series.
So we can put away the strip lights.
Yes.
So now we are talking about the track lights here. So this is a very common use product. The best products for the commercial area. I'm sure you love shopping, right?
Yes,
so every time you go out, you go to many shops, you will find they're all using this kind of track lights. You know, this track light, they don't even need the false ceiling. They just install on the tracks. So even you don't have a false ceiling, you just have a concrete ceiling, then it can be used as well. So it saves a lot of the decoration cost. And secondly, after some time, if the track light is failed, then you can just, you know, change the other one very easily operations. So I think this is a very good product for the commercial area.
Yes, so now maybe when you go around, no matter like Uniqlo, Muji, or some, even the luxury shops, you can see a lot of the check lights more than the downlights in their ceiling.
You often go to Muji, Uniqlo?
Of course. You can notice that they will use a lot of the check lights. But for our series, for this one, we have the full range wattage from 10 watts to 45 watts. But now we just show just one sample here. But by the way, so for some like European markets, the people will prefer to buy the check light built-in driver. So this type can easily change change into the built-in driver. No use this
this box.
Right?
Okay.
Yes. Also, but for right side, could you notice the logo in this place?
I see our logos here. You know, when we produce the check lights,
yes,
the clients always want to print their logos on it, but sometimes they cannot find a very good position to print.
Yes.
So I think here you can have some stories, right?
Yes.
How?
Yes, this solution can solve this problem. The mood of the feeling. Let me show you too. In front of the.
Please.
Okay. So this is our own mood. You can notice the huayi logo on our products.
行近啲喎。
Okay. Okay.
Get closer. I cannot see it. Yeah.
Yes, this logo and also this we have the logo.
Okay.
Yes, the mood of this feeling, we have our own huayi logo. Of course, you must want to print your company logo here. So if the quantity is enough, we can talk to our factory to make your logo mood. You know, show this huayi logo products always, since we have some agents, huayi agents around the world, like our South Africa agents. This solution can help them better to promote the huayi check lights in their markets.
Okay, this sounds a smart and right way to promote the company image and get the market.
Yes. Just now we talked about like shop lights. How can we change other applications? Let me choose could you show us some office lighting, Albert?
Okay, seems the channel products also divided into a project type.
Yes.
Because just now we talked about the commercial areas and now we're talking about the office. I will tell you a secret about the market research of the products we are coming to talk about. Okay. This is a panel light, side panel light. Okay.
Okay, side panel lights.
And this is a base lights.
Okay.
So there is some secret in these two type of lights.
What kind of the secrets? Please tell to the audience. I must, in front of us, all the boss want to listen it.
Okay. Under the working environment, you know the leaders or the company owners, they always hope their staff to have a very high efficiency on the working, right?
Yes.
So in this case, the lumen output must be high enough. You know, the color temperature must be cold white. So this is connected to, you know, human reaction research the market made. And so now we prefer to use two type of lights here. One is the side panel lights, and the other is the base lights.
Okay, it looks good, but I just see the different thickness. But what else special?
Okay, so both of the items, you can see it's a frosted diffuser, right?
Yes.
So we're using PVC material for it.
Okay.
Using PVC material can, you know, to let the products have the highest lumen output.
Yes.
Now our products have like around 100 lumen per watt output.
Of course.
And compared to the PMMA or PS, you know what's their problem? Because PMMA or PS, they are very fragile material.
Okay.
So during the transportation, sometimes it will get damaged.
Yes.
The PVC material solves this problem perfectly. You know, and you know what is the difference between these two lights? You can have a look. Their thickness is also different.
Okay.
So this one is very thin.
Yes.
Just like in the market, it's like 10 mm, 1 cm height. And this one is like 3 cm height.
Okay.
So the difference is that this one is the base lid, back lid.
Okay.
And this one is side lid. And you know, the back lid type could be better suitable for the ceiling, like the T-bar or triangle bar ceilings.
Yes.
Now it's very popular for the office. And the side lid lights, we can have the suspension installation for lower height requirements. But honestly speaking, these two items share the same functions.
Yes.
Same effect, same function.
Yes. So
maybe we also turn on this and check.
Of course we can.
Okay. So which one first? This one?
This one. 我開呢啲。兜去後邊。
So this is the effects you can see. You can show our clients. So this is the panel lights, and we're using good chips and good drivers to make the product stable.
Yes, even the color temperature is 6,000 K and with the high lumen efficiency, but the light effects is not very clear to make the like office lady or office man feel more efficient to work. Okay,
so can we just like to make the lights color changeable as well? I think we can, right? Just change the driver.
Just change the driver. You are the sales engineer.
And also you can see the back side, actually the cover is also very good and no light leaks.
Yes.
So this can ensure the lights can be maximum use from the front side, not just wasted at the back side.
Yes. So let's try another one.
Another one, right?
Okay.
And also one point, this one side lids, we call side lids because we have LED strips from the side of the items, so the lights comes out like in the horizon direction, and the lights will come out through the light sky plates.
Okay.
We can turn this off. Try the other one. 放落地下。
你咁樣先做。
你可以執佢就唔好阻住。
So how about this one? This one you call the backlit, right? Backlit. So just now you talk about the side lids, the LED strip installed in the 4 trim. But so about this time, the LED strip installed assembled in the middle of the plate, right?
Yes, this is the most common type in the market and also very popular. Why? Because the cost of this item is even cheaper than the side lids product. Because you know, the structure is more simple on this product, and it has only one diffusers here and the back plates, and the PCB module, the LED module just stick on the back plate. So but you can see also the effect is very even.
Yes.
Very even. And the light effect is good. You know, even for these products, you can make a cutout or something. We can add a clips for you to just install like a downlight.
Okay. It sounds a good idea.
Not good idea, actually.
So today we bring the channel type of the floodlight, right?
Yeah,
so,
I think
because just now we talk even a series of the indoor lighting. So now we would like to introduce some of our outdoor lighting solution to our audience.
Okay.
Right? Let's see how it works. Let's see how it works.
Okay. So Yeah, I can introduce these lights for you. You know, due to the economic growth here nowadays, many people want to brighten up their house, their own house, not only the public architecture. Yes. So the personal house, to make the atmosphere, we consider like a small voltage floodlights to brighten up the bushes or the shop walls, and some this is from 10 watts to 50 watts we are considering. This is for a channel product. Yes. And the product, this floodlights for up to 70 watts or 100 watts or 200 watts. Maybe they are using in a very special buildings because this building must be higher, bigger, and need more lights. Yes, of course. So could we turn them on? Yeah, later. Let me finish to show the features of this item. Actually, this I'll go front. Okay, go to the front. Let me help you. So this floodlight, we spend a long time for development. There are many highlights for it. For example, this is a blade design. You can see very smoothly for the edges, very smoothly, and we're using a super wide glass here to get the maximum light output. Also, the reflector inside is PE material. So the whole structure is designed to get the maximum efficiency output. And you know, here we also have two access, right? Yes. One is for the power cord, and the other we can even like install the air breather or some other sensors, you know, human sensors, like PIR sensors like that. The driver is built inside. So this driver is very stable. Why? Because you know, for the outdoor products, normally the critical specification is the surge protection. Yes. This range can be up to 10 kV surge protection in the maximum voltages, and it also has the protection system for the high voltage and low voltage situation. What kind for this function will usually in what kind of the markets? For example, some countries, you know, like South America or India, or other countries, they have a very unstable power grid. Yes, exactly. Sometimes the power get, you know, just like 110 volts, and sometimes it goes to 300 volts. So the protection system is very useful for these countries. Yes, of course. Can have a very protected system. Yes, we will have the like detailed introduction of the outdoor lighting on 18th June. Remember this time, you will, if you are interested, and we will show more about our outdoor lighting solutions. Okay, so Jasmine, time goes very fast. Now we have finished introduce all type of products here today. Yes, but don't forget we are not introduce our products to the audience. We are not only to show the products, and as a responsible sales, you also need to provide your service. So now please notice our screen. I think after our brief introduction, you must have the doubts like how can we promote our own brand and our products, and how can we manage the goods? How can we manage the goods? So today we will have a good idea based on some experience we cooperate with our clients, or some experience we follow by some top brand. So yes, so like please, yes, like you can notice the screen, the blue one, we
separate from different brochure. Like the screen show the blue one for the channel goods, which we talked just now. And the next part is for our architectural products. Next one. Yes, for some architectural products, and the green one for some hot cell outdoor and indoor lighting for the project.
Sounds good.
Yes, through this way, we can help to strengthen the company image and make the customer more convenient to help them to choose what they really need.
Okay, time goes really fast. But Jasmine, our colleague, will have another decorative live show later.
Yes.
So they are preparing just beside us. So don't forget to have we have a big promotion during the Canon Fair.
Yes.
So later on, our colleague will again, post the poster here, the promotion poster. So remember to follow us to see more products, right?
Yes, yes. So don't forget our Huayi Live the broadcast, my friends. From 16 o'clock they will show some other self-developed decorative lighting, very beautiful and unique. Don't miss it, my friends.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye
okay,
bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, this is Jasmine.
Hi everyone, this is Andy, and we are so excited here because this is our first show on the Canton Fair.
Yes, we are a bit late, but we are here. There is an old saying like, opportunity comes when you are prepared.
Yes, and now we are prepared. From 15th to 24th, we are here and show you different topics every day. What a light feast! Every day we have 3 broadcasts: commercial lighting, decorative lighting, and the project lighting solutions.
I must subscribe Huayi channel. How exciting the show is!
But honestly, very sad. This day the coronavirus spreads all over the world. We know some of you are getting through the tough situation, but we sincerely hope we can get over this together.
Yes, we're praying for you and hope the disease will end soon. But this is also the chance, as many people spend more time on the internet, right? So we are here and want to show our company and our products.
So please follow us on different society media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. We will keep posting new product information.
Okay, so first of all, we would like to introduce our company and to talk about the channel products developments and our products basket. Last to show some physical products.
Now you can pay attention to the screen. See, yes. This is our industrial park photos. The company was established from 1986, occupy 200,000 square meters, and we have around 2,000 workers.
Okay, so yes, not only the industrial park you see we have, but also some impressive buildings in the town, like Huayilights Plaza, International Era, and International Hotel and more. Maybe if you have the chance to come here, we are sure that you will be shocked to see around.
And you know, Jess, Huayi is the first one to have a national class lab in Zhongshan Guzheng,
yes.
Which is seen as certified, and a test qualification is authorized by international third-party test organization.
Yes.
Our products have different certifications like the C certificate for the European market, ETL certificate for Northern American,
yes,
and the BIS certificate for India market, last LCM for Australia, and so on.
Yes, it seems that you have started to interest in our company, right?
Yes.
Yes, so let me show you our factory. Like same advanced machine we have, like the auto matching machine, which can handle a giant base lights. And the laser cutting machine can cut the metal very accurately and make the lighting shape more exclusive. But here we just show a indoor lighting production line. But we also obtained like the outdoor lighting, decorated lighting production line. Maybe if you are interested, please leave your message to our colleague. They will show you around.
That looks professional. So can we have some information about the product now?
Don't worry, Andy. We will get to that part. But let's see our showroom first. We have indoor lighting showroom in which we can explain all the basic data about the lights, and the outdoor lightings, which can make the fancy landscaping effects and also the decorated for the project. But maybe it will be boring just to look in the picture, right? How can we show it more impressive, Andy?
Thanks to the technology, we create a VR link which can help you to explore our showroom and the factory just like in person. We also record some videos and will play all day round. If that is not enough, ask our colleague to book a conference call face-to-face.
Okay, yes, it will be shocked and you can feel the real showroom without going outside right now.
Yes.
So next, Andy, maybe could you please show some marketing combination?
Of course, the wholesaler, which are same as channel buyers, like big brandings or trading companies, take up around 60% share. The project channel take the other 40%. And come to the world map, you can see our main channel market in Europe and Asia. LED is a trend for environmental friendly this day. I believe the whole market will keep growing and we will be benefit from it.
Yes, of course. But Andy, what a shame that we are absent in the Light and Build Frankfurt this year.
Indeed, but online Canton Fair is here, right?
Yes.
Client can see the product just in their house. For the coming fair like Guangzhou International Lighting Fair and the Hong Kong Fair, maybe we will still meet on the internet. Who knows?
Yes.
Jasmine, what do you think is the most important part for a company?
I think every part is equally important. Like the R&D team, see, it combined, like you can notice our screen, it combined with different small but smart team, like the designer team, decorative lighting, architectural lighting, electronic technology. Although now we just show one picture and introduce very simple, but in the following product introduction, I'm sure that you will feel our strong development power.
And as before we talked, we have the biggest market share in Europe. So today we would like to share some experience, like what type of the products suitable for this market, or how they manage or promote their products in this market.
Yes, but you know, Andy, the European market is big. And today we talked about the Western markets. And in that market, our clients are mainly come from like 4 countries. Like you can notice our picture, our map, the European markets met our clients mainly from the United Kingdom, the Germany, France, and Spain. And they also can separate from different parts, from the importers, wholesalers, distributor, and the retailer. And to date, the products we show today are analyzed based on our annual sales report in this market.
It sounds professional, but usually our client in this market separate from like importer, wholesaler, distributor, and retailer. And Jasmine, since I have checked the series today we have prepared, they all are the small size. They're very small, right?
Yes, exactly. And that's also the important point we will talk about today. See like the screen in the top brand in the lighting business, like the Flaws, Summit, and the XAL. You can notice that most of their downlights and spotlights are small size, very small size. But by the way, based on our sales data and experience, we cooperate with our clients. Maybe I cannot remember the actual number. Maybe over 20 years, they are preferred to purchase the downlight usually with 55 to 75 millimeters.
So everyone, now let's pay attention to our screen and our data. In our giant product basket, the 4 series, Flow series, Oceanus series, Thingy series, and the Flex series could help you know about what the type will be suitable for your market, or what type can bring you the idea to design a new type.
I'm sure that you will get a lot today.
Yes.
Okay, so firstly, we would like to talk about our top one, the Flow series. You can notice that the cutout, you can notice our screen, our catalog page, that the cutouts are range from 68 to 79 millimeters. And like they are also can with a different frame, like the round one, the square one, and the one anti-glare. But all of them we decided like the adjustable and the fixed one.
But Jess, why show the model at the beginning of the page? Is it related with this series?
Good question. And yes, the time I mentioned just now are decided with same module, and at the same time, that is the earliest flexible, the different frame with the same module in our indoor lighting series. Yes, And you can notice the screen because of the mix idea. The clients also take the flexible measurement about different parts. For example, about the module, divide to different CCT with different chip brand like the Cree, Bridgeless, or the Citizen.
It sounds a good idea, and I can also notice that. Like the module can equip with different brand and with different driver solutions, right?
Yes, of course, exactly. This method also could help the client manage their products and the stock very well. Like for example, just now we talked the module can with the different color temperature. But you know, Andy, even like us, have sold the lighting for over 5 years, 6 years. We cannot distinguish different color temperature very easily, like the 3000K and the 2007. Yes, yes. So you can notice screen. They accept our client separates from different color temperature, but with different color plates. You can notice like this yellow plate is for the 3000K, but the blue one is for the 6000K.
How smart the idea is. Best to solve the stock management. So don't stop it. About the frame, similar solution like module. We show our client's catalog here. At the beginning of our talk, I'm sure you will be confused that different frames design but with different color, it must be messed up. Lot of color and can make 1,000 of combination.
At this moment, don't worry, friends. As experience, although you said a different color, many color will be messed up. Yes, but as our experience and our research in these markets, maybe just 4 to 5 or 6 colors will be suitable for them. Like the basic color, black, white, silver. This is the basic. But most importantly, the chrome finish. The chrome finish is still popular in this market.
Yes, many customers in European like chrome finish.
Yes. So by the way, I would also like to share a tips like black, white, or silver, since these 3 color usually can be produced by the powder coated. So maybe the painting cost is always cheap. But for the chrome finish, the painting process may be more complicated than the black or whites. Right. So the cost, of course, will be higher than them. So we would like to suggest like some of our audience, maybe they just begin to do the lighting business. Yes. Maybe I think the basic color will be enough for their market.
I'm sure that some of the audience have marked with the good tips, Jess. You are so smart. And usually, in European market, they always look for something special. So at this moment, we need to follow their step. The Oceanus series waterproof IP65 downlights could be better to touch their eyes. About this series, the voltage range from 1.5 to 15 watt. But like we talked before, people in this market always prefer to use downlight with 55 to 70 millimeters, right?
Yes, yes, of course.
So we show 8 to 15 watt here.
This is 15 watt. This is the 8 watts. Yes. So especially for the 8 watts, also with different frame. Like now, could you show to our audience, Eddie?
Of course, it's my pleasure.
This one. Also this one.
Okay. This is the first one.
Yes. This one with the curve. Maybe some designer will think it can match the ceiling very well.
Okay, the next one.
Yes, but you can notice that this type and the and the square one. That is the two type with different clips. But maybe some of our clients choose usually for the round and square, but they want to make them see look the same or similar. You know, Andy, you know how we solve this problem for our clients.
But as I see that, for round and square, the clips is different. How to make them look same or similar?
You always give us the good question. Okay. Okay, for the round one. Yes, for the round one. Yes, for the round one. It is a very common clips. We use most of them. We use most for the like the spotlights and the downlights. But for the square one, they are not the basic. You know, you touch maybe some like the knife.
Yeah, very sharp.
Yes.
Very sharp here.
Yes. And thanks to we have the good partners in this market, and they feedback to us about these products. They said, for this time, maybe the clips will do harm to the ceiling.
Yes.
Yes, so they asked us to change the clips and try to keep the same and the round one. So you can notice the picture. Initially, our model is with the other clips, but we help our client to solve this problem and make it look similar.
Good. Clients always can reflect the real opinion, right?
Yes.
So finally, they choose the model HB46438 and the HB46252 because the square one will harder to fix the clips like the round one. So our engineer need to find the accurate position to make the clips a little longer than the round one.
Yes. Thank you for your explanation just now.
You're welcome.
And we always could help our clients to solve many problems. Like the Oceanus is for the COB type. How about now we introduce our SMD special series, our thin E series.
Yeah.
Let's start our thin E series. Why I said it is also the special one. You can notice that our screen, first about the series, we have a full range of the wattage from like 7 watt to 35 watt. But now we talked about the 7 watt, the minimum wattage. It can be easily to change the color temperature. You can make it like soft dim or CCD changeable to fulfill the basic smart home requirements.
But for the channel product, maybe the color temperature changeable will be enough, right?
Sure, it will be the better choice. The CCD changeable time, we could also provide a remote. You can see our picture, the remote switch. This idea seems basic, but it can also help you to save the stock and make a good product management. Like maybe somebody would like to 3000K, but others prefer the 6000K. Yes, so this switch can better to solve this problem.
All right, anything else? I see the right picture.
Yes.
Also the different frame, so similar like the Flow series.
Let me give you 2 videos. And you will know the difference of these 2 series. Okay, I will ask our colleague to. Okay, the first one, you can see I put the white frame on a half complete downlights and shake.
Yes.
Yes, but it can fix. And for the second, wait a minute. And for the second, we test the frame, the stability of the frame of the magnetics. Please 麻烦拨回我们的 PPT.
This video is very useful for the customer.
Yes.
Wow, this is the magnetic. It's very smart design, I think. So I have a look, and I can say it is special now. But everyone will worry about the gravitation. So before this series come out, I think we spend a lot of time to do the related test, right?
Sure. It must to follow some international test standard of the fixation of the attachment. Now you can notice the right side is the standard explanation, like our products need to follow the external parts to fix the luminaire, such as the diffuser, the glass, the reflector, but our series is about the frame to test with four types of weights of puppy and health. Wow. In addition to its weight. So, and finally, on the right side, we got the approval and all the tests we got passed.
Safety is the most important thing,
yes,
right?
Of course.
It must have been tested many times and got this final approval. Nothing will be simple, especially for the initial new products.
Yes, you're right. Now, good boys continue. My friends, the series we can also reach like IP65. You can notice that we make the natural solid spray test. Of course, we will make it possible. And finally, we got the approval. Since, you know, once the downlight can reach higher IP grade, they can use in more application.
Yes. Such as the bathroom and the seashore.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
And I know you bring a special cases for this series, right?
Yes, exactly.
Because I see these big guys under here.
Yes, I bring yes, thank you, Andy.
It's my pleasure.
I bring the present for our audience. But before we introduce this present, I would like to show you part by part. Yes, don't miss every details, my friends. Maybe you are tired with like different frame with the module, but you can notice our screen. Not only the module you can match, but also you can match with the traditional light source like the GU10 or MR16.
Like the GU10?
Yes, you can test and you can try it to our audience.
Like this is the GU10.
Yes.
And this is the ring module. And the combination is easily combined. So the workers can save so many times.
Yes, and you know, Andy, we also provide a surprise. Though different frame, but they are not the same. They are not the same idea. Like the frame, you can notice the pictures on the screen. We decide the outer range and inner range. Color can be matched. Not only the like single white or single black. You see, Andy?
But Jess, I see there here is square and square, round and round.
Yes.
So.
But they can match like the outer ring is white, but inner ring you can change it like a black, gold, silver, and any other.
Oh, okay, great.
Yes, except the special color. And we talked before. The most important is about the size, right? And even they are different frame, but they are the same cutout. The same cutout is 72 millimeters to help the customer to save the installation costs. Even they choose different frame. But by the way, small but important design we would like to show here, like this frame. Yes, this frame. We designed two inner ring here. One is for the straight, and the other is for the curve.
why would design like these details?
Yes, the idea comes from some designer. Initially, we have the shades designed, but some designers think if make it the curve like this one, not like this one, like this one. If we make it curve, it can be better to suitable for the ceiling and make the light evenly.
Oh, to match the decoration, right?
Yes.
Okay, product development cannot leave our clients.
Yes.
Before we talk the frame, could not only with the module and also with the GO10 and the MR16. And it must be the best idea to equip with the module, right?
Yes, of course. We have the optical design inside very smartly. Like the modular, we have two options. You can notice our screen. One is the 9 watts and the other is 15 watts. But both of them could have the different optical effects, like the next parts, like the clean lens give the high transmittance, like the frosted glass will make the light softer and the beam angle wider. And also, like somebody want to add the honeycomb. The honeycomb can decrease the glare, the glare, and improve the visual comfort.
Okay, and also they could fit for kinds of beam angle like 15, 24, 35, 36, and 60 degree.
Yes.
When it with different type of the frame, the facula always very evenly.
Okay, so here comes our special box.
Okay, can we show to our...
Of course, yes.
Jasmine, could you show this ring model to our clients and me?
Yes, of course. It's my pleasure. So today we bring this big box here. But you can see we obtain a lot of the frame, and a lot of the color crossover,
And I have a question, Jess.
Okay.
I see all of them are gold color, gold inner ring, and the outside is white.
Yes.
Maybe some customer, they don't like this color.
Okay. So, but because this is our standard box, we just designed the white and gold here. But we just now we talked. We have many crossover, like this one. This one is the black and the chrome. The white and the chrome black, and also this one, Andy. See?
The color is different.
Yes, the color is different. So maybe you can select and you can decide this box based on your choice.
Oh, very good. Because some designer they will like another color.
Yes.
It's a good choice for them to choose.
Yes, and also you can see some of our like this type. We also equipped with the different accessories because this inner ring is easy to change the inner ring. Yes, so we
just like that.
Yes, so we decide the different color, like we put the white, gold, black, silver here, and when you show to your clients of this model, you can change the inner ring very easily.
So another question, okay? Okay, because I have
you
too
always
many.
bring many good questions to our audience.
I'm new here, so another question is some European customer. I think you know that.
Yes, of
some
course.
customer they want dimmable. They want dimmable. So how to solve this problem? Okay,
so you see this modular. We put two of the modular here, but. One of them is the non-dim chips, and one of them is the soft dim. Let me show you. Maybe you need to help.
It's very tough.
And this one.
Okay.
Yes. You see, this modular is the standard non-dim, and this modular with the soft dim chip, and also we put the two driver here. One is also the standard driver, and one is the with the triac dimmable driver. And also we have the one cotton here, and when you show to your clients different light effect, and you can directly show to them different. Yes.
Oh, great. So I can dimmable to show the client, oh, our products can be dimmable.
Yes.
It's very easy.
Yes, very easy.
So can I have another question?
Of course, no problem.
Another question is, I see that there are
you mean too much frame?
Too much frame. You see, 1, 2, 3.
You can
almost 100 combination.
Yes.
It's hard for customer to choose how to promote or how to prepare the stock.
Yes. At this moment, you can notice the next our next page that for this page we cooperate with ours like Spain and other countries' clients that they choose some of the frame and just select some of the color. Like you can notice just the sandy white or black or the silver. Just this several colors, not very much. But they think this box is suitable for their markets. Yes, so you can decide based on your choice. No need to carry the complete series.
No need to carry all the things.
Just
make it suitable for our markets is okay.
Yes.
No, good choice. So the last question, okay?
Okay, you promised me.
You said, I remember you mentioned about the lens, right?
Yes,
the lens is special to anti-glare.
Yes.
But where is the lens? Can you show to me?
Yes.
Here, right?
Yes, here. Wait a moment. Okay. Our standard is with the like the clear lens, like the clear lens just now we talked. We can show some more high efficiency, but not everyone like the high efficiency. Maybe someone think it will be clear, so we put some of the accessories in the box, and you can change them very easily. So this is the prismatic glass, and this one is the honeycomb. So we have the different accessory here, and when you want to promote other type, you just carry this box and directly go to your customers. That is okay.
It's very good for us.
Yes, so this is a good present for you today.
Thank you, Jess.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, we move back to the desk.
Okay. Yes.
So this will be the best way to promote the products, very fast and very convenient. Show the clients sample directly and test different light effect at the same time.
Yes, but time really go fast. Our colleague will have another big decorated live show later. See, they are preparing beside us. So don't forget that we also have a big promotion during the Canton Fair. If the order over 20,000 USD, that we can provide you up to 10%.
Wow.
10%. Yes, 10% discount till the end of the Canton Fair, 25th June. But maybe some clients cannot catch this time. Maybe they want to select more products. But don't worry, my friends. We can also give you up to 6% discount by the 5th of July.
Can you speed the time again, because my memory is very bad this week.
Okay. So first sale is from today to the end of this online Candle Fair, 25th June.
Oh, 25th June.
Yes, and the second sale is from 25th June to 5th July.
Ah, great. So don't leave the broadcast, my friends. Next, they will show you some of other self-development decorative lighting.
Yes.
Very beautiful and unique. Don't miss it.
See you.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is Jasmine.
Hi everyone, this is Serena, and we are so excited here because this is our first show on the Canton Fair.
Yes, well, we are a bit late, but finally we are here. There is an old saying, Serena, opportunity comes when you are prepared.
Exactly, and now we are prepared from 15th to 24th. We are here and show you different topics every day. What a live feast, right, Jasmine?
Yes.
Every day we have 3 broadcasts, commercial lighting, decorative lightings, and the project lighting solutions.
Yes, I will subscribe Huayi channel all day long. How exciting the show is!
You are doing a very smart choice. But actually, we're on these days because of the coronavirus spreads now all over the world.
Yes.
We know some of you are getting in trouble, and we hope that we can overcome it and get over this together.
Yes, we're praying for you that and hope that disease will end soon. But you know, Serena, this is also a chance.
Yeah.
Yes, as many people can spend more time on the internet.
Yeah.
So we are here.
Yeah.
Yes, and want to show our company and our products.
So now, please follow us on different social media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. And we will regularly update our information for you in different media platforms.
Yes. So first of all, we would like to introduce our company and talk about some channel products developments and our product baskets. And last, we will show our physical products.
Now you can pay attention to the screen. See, these are our industrial park photos. The company was established from 1986, occupy 200,000 square meters, and we have around 2,000 workers.
Okay, so yes, but not only the industrial park we have, but some impressive buildings in the town we have, like Huayi Lighting Plaza, Lighting Era, International Hotel, and more. Maybe if you have the chance to come here, we are sure that you will be shocked to see around.
Yeah, totally shocked about it. And you know, Jasmine, Huayi is the first one to have the national class lab in Zhongshan, Guzheng,
Yes.
which is seen as certified, and the test qualification is also raised by international third-party test organizations.
Yes.
And our products have different certifications, like the CE certification for the European market,
Yes.
ETL certificate for North America, and BS certificate for India, ASEAN for Australia, and so on.
Well, so it seems that you have started to interest our company, right?
Sure.
Okay, so let me show you our factory. Same advanced machine we have, like the auto punching machine, which can handle giant base lights, and the laser cutting machine can cut the metal very accurately and make the lighting shape more exclusive. Here we just show a indoor lighting production line, but we also obtain the outdoor lighting, decorative lighting. Maybe you can leave your message to our colleague now. They can show you to go around.
Yeah, that is very fantastic and professional. So, can we have some more information about the product now, Jasmine?
Don't worry, Serena. Okay.
I can't wait.
We will get to that part.
Yeah.
But let's see our showroom first. So, well, we have the indoor lightings, which in which we can explain all the basic spec of the lighting, and also about the outdoor lightings, which can make the fancy landscaping. And also for the decoratives, for the projects. Yes, but maybe the audience think it will be a little boring just to looking our picture, our PPT. How can we show it more impressive?
Let me think about it. Now, thanks to the technology, we create a VR link which can help you to explore our showroom and our factory just like in person. We also record some videos and we are played all day around.
Okay.
If that is not enough, ask our colleague to book a reference call face to face.
Yes, it will be shocked and you can feel the real showroom without going outside. So next, Serena, maybe could you show us our marketing combination?
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Okay.
The wholesalers, which are same as channel buyer, like big brands or trading companies, take around 60% share, and the project channel take the other 40%. And come to the world map, you can see our main channel markets is in Europe and Asia. And LED is trend for environmentally friendly these days.
Yes,
I believe the whole market will keep growing and we will be benefit from it.
Yes, of course. But Serena, what a shame that we are absent in this Light and Build Frankfurt this year.
Yeah, very well said.
But
indeed.
Yes, but indeed, maybe I remember clearly maybe some other fair will come very soon.
Yes.
Could you? Yes. Could you?
Like what we are now, we are on the online Canton Fair, and client can see the products just in their house for the coming fair, like Guangzhou International Lighting Fair and the Hong Kong Fair.
Okay.
Maybe we will meet on the internet. Who knows?
Yes.
Yeah. Jasmine, what do you think is the most important now part for a company?
Maybe I think every part is equally important, like the R&D team.
Yeah.
See, you can notice our screen that it combined with different small but smart team, like the designer team, yes, the architectural team, and the like electronic technology. Maybe although we just show one page, very simple, but in the following product introduction, I'm sure that you will feel our strong development power.
Yeah. Besides this, I want to listen the story of our light development also. What experience you have, and could you please introduce to us?
Yes, my pleasure.
Yeah.
Yes, actually, in order to make the development much more easier and cost effective, our team can help you to develop the products you want. Yes, you can also notice the screen that the whole process, you can see how we work.
So you mean about the OEM and also ODM service, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Now I would like to tell you the story about it. See the picture, the left side, one of our shopping mall projects. At the beginning, the designer give us an idea like, I want an adjustable downlight but with invisible heatsink. And later we provide a solution like the middle solution. We provide like kinds of the check line and some surface mounted downlight. But my feeling told me that it was not easy to win this order.
Well, I think so, because the client or designer ideas are always full of imagination.
Yes.
Yeah, they have their own opinion on the light. So we have to provide several options to them. During this stage, we can see and build the confidence on each other.
Yes.
This is a win-win business.
Yes, exactly. So for the first proposal, we could, the current proposal, we can get approval. Yes, and the designer make the drawing like the right sign, and after we provide client's drawing and idea to our R&D team and get the technical details back. You see, we provided our initial drawing on December 2018 and got the final confirmation on the next year, on June 2019.
But at my experience, 6 months is not a long time for new
Yes.
product development. Since as usual for the commercial lighting, we will take at least 2 or 3 years
Yes.
to improve a complete models. But sometimes will be shorter if we have the existing resource.
Yes, so now have you started to feel our strong R&D team power?
Yes.
But during these 6 months, we are not just finish the appearance of the model, but also need to improve some technical details. You know, that part is very complicated and difficult.
Yeah.
It's like the structure, like the lumen outputs, like the vacuolar, and so on. Yes, also for the mood, we provide 2 proposals for them. One was economical, yes, and the other was regional design. But you know, Serena, like, you know, the designer's mind.
Yeah.
If they design something, it is very hard to change.
Yeah, they have their own instinct.
Oh yes. Even we propose all the cost-effective or economical solution, they even didn't want it.
Yeah, because not everyone is pursuing some cheap items.
Yes, exactly. So next part for the lumen output and the vacuolar, they also demand very strictly. Like initially, they always provide us the budget, but we gave the several solutions. But finally, they select the Cree chip, and because of the quantity, we need to negotiate to our chip supplier and cut the costs, and finally push the order.
Yeah.
But although this process is very difficult, but I think this is our sales responsibility.
Yeah, to give a full solution.
Yes.
And moreover, the important thing is to give suitable solution, and we need to change the position sometimes with the client and think, not just lower the head and work.
Yes, so under this situation, we also need to find some material supplier support. See, I bring the customized sample here. See?
Let's take it.
Yes, and also you can notice the screen that the reflector we also developed together with our suppliers. Since you see this downline with such big size. The millimeters is 2020. Wow. There is no such big size reflector in the market.
Yeah.
Yes, so we are forced to customize every part with our suppliers. But my friends, my story not finished.
Let's go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, because after the finishing the development, everyone want to see the real thing, a touchable light feature, and not drawing in CAD. So that step is making the sample for them, right?
Okay, so for the example, we will make at least 3 pieces. For the first one, we will of course provide to our clients to see some details. Yes, but the second we will keep in our sales departments. Yes, and for the last one, we will keep in our factory QC departments. Better for them to refer when we finally win and proceed this bulk production.
For the bulk production.
Yes.
Very important.
And most importantly, we will arrange the sample to make a test. Yes, as we talked before, we have like a big lab with some or complete advanced equipment. Yes, so we will arrange the tests like the spectrum test, high temperature aging test, and some basic data test.
Yeah, test is very important because this is for the final quality control. So how about the VI design for the client? This is also important, like women need beautiful dress.
Yes, like us today. Yes, so packing is also and always important. See that like the screen from the label, sign mark, laser logo on the fitting and instruction menu, they have their own design. But I'm sure that Serena, maybe some of our audience, maybe they begin to their brand. We could also provide our idea for them.
Yeah, to give them some suggestions and make also the brand recommendation for them.
Yes, yes. So, okay, just finish our company introduction. Now today we're gonna to talk about some products for both two markets. Yes, one for the Middle East markets and the second for the Eastern European markets.
Okay, let's now start it.
Okay, so for the first time, we would like to talk about some COB downlights.
I checked this, but it seems a little oily. I mean, the appearance, how to say, frankly, it's a little old style. Why we will select this type for Middle East market?
That is a good question, Serena. As we talked before, all the product developments are based on a giant sales database and our market research, right?
Yeah.
The reason we select this time because in the past, they are housed usually with a big size, traditional type like the 6-inch or the 8-inch, yes, CFL. But you know, not everyone want to decorate the ceiling again.
Yeah.
So finally, they always prefer to use the bigger size LED model. But although you can notice the screen that for this downlight, although we have the full range wattage, but like 18 watt, 24 watt, 35 watt are hot sale in this market.
Yeah, this bigger wattage one. Absolutely, like my parents, they also more prefer to buy the fast solution to decorate our house. Just me, I noticed there is a frosted one in the middle of the glass. Why the design will like this?
Yes, that is a good question again, Serena. You always give us the good question.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, LED has become a trend like you talked before. So they regard the COB as a symbol of the LED.
Yeah.
But at the same time, maybe some clients will think if they see the model directly, it will be glare.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we make the frosted in the middle of the position. But by the way, so by this way, so people can feel bright enough for the LED, but very comfortable.
Yes. Maybe I get closer for you to see. It's a little distance.
Yes.
Because it's a good idea, and it is with the stainless steel clips and past 140 hours spray salt test and high quality aluminum heatsink, 100% to release the heat and protect the LED chip under the hot weather in Middle East. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. Okay, thank you for Serena's show. So for the second time, we would like to introduce our plastic panel lights. For this series, you can notice our screen introduction. The wattage range from 3 watt to 20 watt.
Yeah, this is 20 watt one. Well, Jasmine, the sample here, it is an integrated driver, right?
Yes.
And also with the plastic material. I'm sure the price will be much more competitive than the first one, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes. So, but why we choose this time? Because you know, maybe most of the countries in the Middle East area, they are the developing country.
Yeah.
Yes, and the consumption level still upgrading. So they more prefer to buy the economical lighting for the basic use. So we choose this panel light.
Yeah, and also maybe some clients will concerned about this is plastic, it's not stable. But sample on my hand, no, I can feel the much strong diffuser and can be provide like high transmission, can reach 80 lumen
Wow.
per watt, and even could reach up to 100 lumen per watt for 15 watt one.
Yes, so what a good material
Yeah.
we use. Yes, so audience, buy it now.
Yes,
And maybe-
also big sale
Yes,
during the Canton Fair.
and maybe some of our clients saying they are just a plastic
Yeah.
panel lights, not any like scientific design in it.
Yeah.
Right? You are wrong. You are wrong. Serena, could you show them more details?
Yeah, sure. Let me get closer again.
Okay, again.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, firstly, let's see the back side. The design of air conversion holes to make sure it can with good heat dissipation and protect the LED lifetime. And the driver, you can see here, we built inside and with collector and with touch button. Very convenient to change if LED failed. Of course, we don't want it to be
Yes.
so. And without any tools. For the clips, we also design with the rubber inside better to protect the ceiling when you install here. You may see the clips.
Yes, now I want it. Now I want to buy it now. So to replace my home use.
I think you should.
Yes, how
I think
smart.
you should have it all.
Okay, how smart the design is. In my mind, all this design will be convenient for the end customer, and for the channel products, we need to make everything like scientific and considerable.
Yeah, so Jasmine, for the first time and second time, we have introduced the recessed downlight and the recessed panel light.
Yes.
Could you please show us more like the products, like the surface mounted one?
Yes, we prepared the sample here.
Wow.
Yes, about this time. Yes, let me show you the products.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this time, we have round one and square one.
Yeah.
Yes, and both of them range from 6 watt to 24 watt. But maybe you will say, nothing special. But I can see them around the market.
Yeah.
I can see them at other suppliers. But wait, audience, you must pay attention to my details.
Yeah, don't miss it. Don't change the channel. We will follow you the details.
Okay, so firstly, I would like to explain that why we choose this time for the Middle East market. As our market research, they are not willing to use like false ceiling.
Yeah.
Yes, they prefer to the concrete design. So there will be waste lots of the installation labor costs when you using the recess.
Yeah, we need to manpower to install.
Yes. So our surface mounted come out. And by the way, as most of our clients said, for the top brand like Philips or Osram, this type have been popular for in their markets for a long time.
Yeah, that's right. We always follow the top brand step of the market. See, I have 2 samples now in our hands. One introduced by ourselves and one another bought from others.
Yes, this one.
Yeah.
Let me go to the
Yeah, you maybe go closer to the camera so that our audience can clearly to check. Firstly, about the painting. Just show.
Okay.
Our product painting with high quality. Looks more lithy and cleaning, right?
Yes.
Yes, and also the 100 cover with every color of products with groove design to cover. Yeah, there's a groove design. And the back side will not moving and the light also not happen, leakage issue.
Yes. You see, this is another sample we buy from the other markets. You see the gaps painting is difficult to handle. Our sample will be handled very perfect. But other sample, like maybe they just want to save the cost, so the gap is not very completely painting. Yes, and of course, let me back to my position.
Yeah, come here.
Okay, so details can tell you that everything. Yes, let's see more about our details. See the picture? See the picture? Because now I cannot yes, take out every details, but you can notice our screen, like
structure.
Our structure in the picture. It is die casting, high thermal conductivity, and have the good dissipation. You can notice the corner. No rust and fade. Very easy to clean. To clean. Yes, and for the driver, we use a intelligent IC, protect the stability of the LED light source and flicker free.
Yeah, this is good. And good points, not finished. Right, Jasmine?
Yes, of course.
Let me continue. For the chips, we use the 2S351, good quality and also high efficiency.
Yes.
Low light decay and the diffuser with high transmission. And for the back side, we talked just now, totally sealing design. This is a new generation of anti-leakage material.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes. Now time go fast.
No, Jasmine, don't go. Don't forget, we have also the Eastern European markets. Don't go. I'm a little worried.
Don't worry, Serena.
Okay, let me calm down.
Okay, I know. I just want to say, time goes fast.
Okay.
We're gonna finish some of the time of the we would like to introduce in Middle East market, and at the same time. But during our talk, our colleague told me some clients have the message for us, like we have introduced 3 times.
Yeah.
Yes, where they can use, and the repeat question. Why for the COP lights? Why just the frosted spot, not frosted? Yes, not the frost. Yes. Could you please explain to our audience?
Sure. Firstly, thanks for your question and our colleague during feed in this time. I'd like to show you again for the panel lights. You can use in the kitchen. I mean this kind of recessed one or the surface mount one, and also office. And for the second question, if we make the glass all frosted, firstly, the lumen output will be low.
Yes.
Yeah, will be decreased.
Yes.
Yeah, could not satisfy the basic light requirement for the market. So we just keep the frosted spots on the middle of it. Better to reach the high lumen output, and also decrease the glare from the COB chips.
Yes.
As we mentioned just now.
Yes. Thanks for your clear explanation, Serena.
Yeah.
So maybe now we can next to the European markets, right?
Sure, let's go now. Yeah, maybe see the map first. The area of them apparently much bigger than Western Europe, right?
Of course, yes.
And the level of the consumption not as high as the West one. So usually, most of the clients, they will have their own factory assembling.
Yes. So under this situation, they more prefer to buy the SKD products.
Yeah.
And they can also decrease some like import tax. And today we would like to talk how we cooperate with them to customize the SKD products.
So is this product right? Yeah.
Yes.
Really want to know the story about it.
Okay, so let me explain to you.
Yeah.
Okay. So see the picture. Our initial design is the downlights with such a big size.
Wow.
Yes, with such a big size. So maybe our clients, they decide to add the new wall washer for check.
Wow, that's a new concept.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But the structure of the downlight is also totally different from the check light. How can we manage it?
See, now you can also feel our R&D power again.
Yeah, very important.
Yes, very important.
Yeah.
Firstly, we need to customize the the square driver box with the adapter. You know, I talked, they want to make it to the check lights.
Yes, very big one.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also, you can notice the screen, everything not simple. Within the box and the structure, we make the drawing and sample again, and change the drawing, change the sample, change the details again and again.
Yes, long period and also many process. But finally, you did it.
Yes, we
made
did it.
Right?
Our company made it.
Wow. So just need to add the box. I think no, because it seems this model not very simple. Even they are the downlight. How can it be SKD if change to the track light?
Yes, that is a good question.
Okay.
Like apart from the driver box, like electric wires, LED chip holes, driver housing, and even the painting and package step by step. We cannot ignore every details.
Exactly. Like the wires. Firstly, you will notice the length of the wire, such as the adapter, maybe with about 250 millimeter, and the driver will need 300 millimeter. If too long or too short, cannot collect them as accurately. Also, need to install the wire inside the track box, right?
Yes.
So, no more additional question. How about the LED chips? I mean the holes. I'm not very clear because this is also very important.
Yes, as for us, maybe different clients or different markets, they are prefer to use different brand of the chip, like Cree, Citizen, Bridgeless, Philips, and others. But you know, even they are the same size, they are the same wattage chips, but the size of them will be different.
Wow.
Yes. So we decide the hole, like the picture now. One is for the bridgeless.
Yes.
And the other for the like the Jaga and the Philips.
Wow, now I can totally understand. But in this picture shows the position without the powder coated. Better maybe to provide the heat dissipation, right?
Yes, you're right. You're so smart, Serena. Yes, actually not the SKD we do like that.
Yeah.
But the complete products also better to protect the LED lifetime.
Yeah. Now, how about the driver box housing? Where we should notice when install the driver?
Yes, okay, so firstly you can notice our picture. There are two gaps visible between the driver housing, and you can notice the picture one.
Yes.
Yes, the hole we design here better for the heat dissipation. You note for this model, the power is so high, up to 35 watts to 40 watts. So no matter for the LED chip precision or the driver, we must notice these points. There is no mounting basket. There is one mounting basket. One mounting basket. You know, Serena, before we said the driver box so big, right?
Yes.
So if the basket too long, it cannot fix.
Yes,
it cannot fix.
Exactly.
Yes. So we decide a button to fix it.
I think the designer also the salesperson is a considerate person. The goal idea is very considerable, and we know all the painting also important, right?
Yes, of course. So in this market, people prefer to buy the color like sandy white, black, and grays. Not the chrome like we talked yesterday, like the Western Europe, they more prefer to buy the chrome. But so at the end, since the big size and the weight, we also must make the good package design. Better to protect them during the transportation, right?
Yes, sure. SKD, because it's part by part. If one of the part damaged, it will be difficult to assemble to a complete one. So today I would like to say time goes so fast.
Yes.
And we also have promotion for this Canton Fair. if the total amount order is over $20,000, we will get 10%.
Wow, I want to buy it. I want to buy it now.
Yes, because sometimes maybe the time is too limited to catch up with our Canton Fair period. You can also get 6% from June 25th to July 5th.
Yes, thanks for your explanation, Serena.
Yeah.
But don't leave the live show, my friends. Next, they will show us some self-developed decorative lighting.
Wow.
Very beautiful. And do you want to see it?
I will keep the channel.
Okay.
Definitely.
Don't miss it, my friends.
Yeah.
So okay, it's time to say goodbye.
So bye
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Okay,
Yes.
so today we also want to invite you to follow our social media accounts and also our website. So on the screen you can see the accounts again. Follow us to find more information.
Yes, please follow us.
Okay.
So today we would like to introduce 3 series of our products. And for our leading actor here is our Oceaners series.
Oceaners.
Yes, they are so functional so that the application can be fit in so many projects in our life.
Okay, I have to ask how to match our life.
Okay, look at this picture. So that this little thing just like they just after their bath still getting wet when I take this picture.
Okay, I see. Because the name is Oceanus, right?
Yes.
It must be about the waters. So I think their main capability is waterproof.
Yes, correct. So nowadays the LED lighting segment is getting more professional.
Yes.
Yes, the waterproof lightings are playing an important role in our life.
Agree.
Who said only the outdoor lights need a waterproof capability? So do the interior lights as well.
Great. Let's explore their possibility.
Okay, so these days the life quality is getting very important along the growth of the economy, right? How do you think or how do you consider the lights in your house? What do you think is the most important, Albert?
I think light is a very important thing to human life.
Yes,
From
of
when
course.
human, control the fire, light is always there. Like
Yes.
candle,
Candle.
incandescent, fluorescent, and now LED.
Yes.
Light is not only providing the brightness for the
Yes.
space, it can also shape your house and also shape your life.
Yes.
I think good lights can always make our experience better.
Yes.
So the performance of the lights as well as the quality are both very important. Just imagine if you use some common lights in the wet area, it will be damaged
Yes.
so fast, right?
Yes.
So I don't want to change my lights very often.
Yes, exactly. But lazy is the human's natural. So but I know you are the diligent man in our office always.
Yeah.
Yes, as you know, like nowadays the designer is getting very serious about lights. One of the requests we often need is to use the waterproof lightings in the wet area, like the washroom, the kitchen, the outdoor corridor, and so on.
Okay, so to meet this kind of request,
Yes.
we have developed the Oceanus series.
Yes.
Could you please show how it reached IP65?
Okay.
The means IP65 means a standard to prevent the water, steam, and the dust.
Okay, so let me show you a sample and let me close to our camera. Okay, so I have the sample here. You can see very obvious here. The wire locker is waterproof time. The good quality silicone gasket is pressed by the steel nut. This is a steel nut here. The dial of the nuts is designed to fix the output wire of the driver. And also from the front side, when you disassemble the baffle, You can also see the rubber ring is in the middle of the fitting and the frame. For this, we call the structure waterproof. Means the item was designed in the structure to prevent any stream to get inside.
Okay, I see the reflector also has its precision. This brand is one of the very famous reflector producer, which has their own R&D team.
Yes.
Only focusing how to make the light performance better.
Yes, that's why we have a long cooperation together.
Great. So it looks great. We have a full family here, right?
Yes.
This is the full family.
Yes.
And the maximum is 15 watts. And the minimum is 1.5 watts only.
1.5 watt.
And in the middle, we have 6 and 8 watts.
6 and 8 watt.
So I believe you already see all the specs on the screen. So we have also adjustable and non-adjustable options.
Yes, we hope the products can cover most of the requirements. Even like the appearance, you can see there are like the square type, round type, glareless type.
So many types.
Yes. The common degree is also the 15, 24, and the 36 degree.
I can say the designers helped you a lot for the decision to make this range.
Yes, so what we need to do is to have the products to meet market's requirements.
Yeah, thank you for your watching. Next part, we will introduce you some other products.
Yes.
So this time we bring a very tiny light series. We call the BAT BAT series.
Yes.
So now you can watch a video for this product's introduction.
Okay. Wow, I wonder why these days the lights are getting smaller and smaller.
Smaller and smaller.
But the price is not lower and lower.
Yes, one reason is, you know, our products are very good quality, so the price is not very cheap items. So why we make the lights smaller and smaller? Because this is a trend in LED lightings.
Yes.
To get the, you know, to get the size much smaller, but keep the same efficacy.
Yes.
Okay. So we always talking about architectural lights, architectural lights. But what is the real architectural light? What do you think, Jasmine?
Normally, architectural lights is same. We call like commercial lights.
Yeah.
They are recognized as functional lights as well. They offer the brightness to the whole space.
Yes, but one thing is very important.
Yes.
As you know, the lighting fixture is only a supporting actor in the building.
Yes.
The building is the major party, right?
Yes.
So nowadays, people love to see the unity of the whole building. The lights should not be very obvious.
Exactly.
So they should be blended into the ceiling naturally, so we can see the advantage of this series. First one is, you know, the size, right?
Yes.
If the size is very small, after the installation, you can hardly notice the lights are there.
Yes. And also, the very important point that we have the smaller size, but we can do like the 3 watt, 5 watt, and 7 watt.
7 watts in such a smaller size?
Yes, such a smaller size.
And you know, there are many possibilities to be explored we are coming to this part.
Okay, I can see just now I said the fitting we make smaller, and the size can cover 3 watt, yes, 5 watt, and the 7 watt.
Okay. Yes, well, you know, there is one thing very special. In this series, we try to add something more decorative.
Like this one?
Yes, exactly, in this range. So first of all, I need to say it's the color.
Yes,
okay?
color.
So color is always a flexible thing for us, for our products. We can customize, you know, any colors you want. So we can have different colors like gold, black, silver, white in the body.
Yes.
And secondly, one of the design we can see the baffle is coming out. We're talking about this one. The baffle is coming out. So this is not conflict, because I said that the lights should be not very obvious.
Yes.
But sometimes in some application, some little decorative element is required.
Yes.
So this is not conflict, okay? As what I said just now, to make the lights fixture and the environment uniform.
Very interesting.
So as this light is very small, we oftenly use them in the cabinets.
Cabinets.
Light where you put your wine in your house.
Yes.
So the bevel can be a decorative element in this situation. Come to see the next photo. This looks very nice, isn't it?
Yes. While using in other location, what we should consider, like just now you talked, like in the cabinets, corridor.
Yeah, other application, like you can see our one of our corridor projects.
Yes.
We run a simulation and you can see the effects. And also, we need to consider different adjustability and the beam angle.
Yeah. Let's see more example where the bed series used. But maybe just now our video could be more clearly tell you the secret, tell you how to use how many size or how many frame we can provide you. But okay, so this part we gonna to finish. If you like these products, do not hesitate to contact our colleague. Yes, they will show you more information. So, Albert, we are coming to our last product, right?
Yes.
Could we have some sample here?
I already prepared one sample.
Okay.
So this is the last items here.
Wow,
today.
it's long.
Yeah, this is a linear light.
Yes.
So in this part, we can introduce something linear, long shape.
Okay.
Linear lights are always very popular because it is very simple design.
Yes.
And very suitable to use in the office. And the material series, this we call material series, we introduced today, can be applied in different areas as there are several options we can choose.
Yes.
Let's see them here.
Yes, let's see.
So when we develop an item, if we can match with the requirement for most of the customer, it will be great.
Yes.
But it's also no harm to have its brother, like some special design on the same items, which might have special points compared to the most common one. Jasmine, you can see the screen, right?
Yes.
We have 4 types.
Yes.
So the most common one is the opal diffuser one, like the sample here. And we also have the other 3 types.
Okay, maybe
we can see more details in the coming parts.
Okay, so more function is even better. You said brothers, right?
Brothers.
Okay, let's see some basic data in this range. This is the diffuse linears. From the installation, we offer 2 ways: surface mounted and suspended. And for the illumination, if it is suspended time, we offer single direction.
Okay.
And the double direction.
Double direction is also possible.
Yes. Yeah. You can see the other data like the power, efficiency, UGR, and beam angle in our screen.
Okay. So it's very clear.
Yes.
So let's see other possibility.
Okay.
We have the diamond primed diffuser for the other lights as well.
Yes,
In this
diamond.
product, the UGR is obviously better than the PMMA diffuser item.
Okay.
And we also have a better options on small grid design.
Yes, small
This
grid.
is original from the big brands. So the glare-free and the dark way, we call the glare-free and dark way items.
Okay.
They belong to the same design, same technology, using a small grid to minimize the glare.
Okay.
We can feel the lights even through the camera.
Very fashion design.
So let's see some samples later.
Okay, we hope this item can perform the best. So we can use like the all-surround chip and the AAA driver to ensure the stability and light outputs. Like chips and driver always the heart of the lights, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is also the part to separate good items and the cheap.
Yes, what you said, the brand of the chips and driver, I know they are good brands, so we can keep the quality of these products.
Yes.
So, and the item for surface mounted
And
and suspended mounted is the same body design, same like this.
so we can use the same body to do the suspended surface mounted?
Yes, they can be interchanged.
How?
So look at the screen. Look at the screen. So to make it from surface mounted to suspended mounted, what you need is just add the canopy and the steel wire. This is very easy and convenient.
Yes, very convenient. And this is, you can notice our pictures that this is our conference office in our showroom. And it blind the customized continuous glare-free linear lights. Look at it. Look at this effect.
I know, Jasmine. You just film a video so we can see more closely, right?
Okay, yes, let's move to our video.
Let's check the video.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Now we have come to our showroom, right,
Yes.
Albert? So we can see more clear about our material series.
Yes, we are talking about these items in our broadcast. Now we can see it more clearly from
Yes.
here. So the first item you can see is a PMMA diffuser items. So the efficacy is high, about like 95 to 100 lumen per watt.
Wow.
So many offices, they prefer to use this kind of linear light.
Yes, exactly. So from my side, I cannot see the second time. Is it turned on?
Yes, this is already turned on. You can see the ground, right?
Yes.
The light spot is there. So maybe from the camera position, you cannot see the lights coming out from the fixture. But come closer,
Yes.
please. Come closer.
Come closer.
So you can see the lights actually turned on already. So this item, the UGR is extremely low. We call glare-free technology.
Yes, exactly.
So this light is very comfortable. You cannot, it's totally not hurting your eyes, but you
Okay.
can enjoy the light in the space.
Yes.
So can you introduce the third type and the fourth type for us?
Yes, maybe at this moment, maybe some audience will think maybe it is not different from this time and the first time, but it is a little different design. We use the prismatic diffuser on the third time, so for the first one, the efficiency it will be much higher than the first time. It can reach up to 100 lumen per watt, and for the second, maybe we use the prismatic diffuser. We can feel more comfortable about the lights.
You mean compared to the first one, this one, the UGR is also less?
Yes,
But
also
keep the same lumen and
keep the same or maybe higher than, but lower UGR.
okay.
Yes. So let's move to the last one. For the last one, also the same design with the second one, the glare-free. But for this one, we just use the pieces of the reflector module, not
Okay.
use the complete reflector. So that is the difference. And also they can, the UG are also very lower.
So same design, but you know, different voltage maybe.
Yes,
right?
different. But so just now we have talked 4 types. They are all the suspended ones.
Suspended installation.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have a surface mounted installation here. Please
Yes,
come closer.
please.
And because these lights are not turning on, so you can see more clearly about the diffuser. Please come closer here. You can see this one is Opal PMMA diffuser, and this one is prismatic.
Yes.
So can you see clearly? Yes?
Yes, I can see. Yes, maybe let's move to
Yeah.
the second time and the last one. Come closer. We use the reflector light. With the depth, so can reach at the glare free we just talked.
Okay. So just mean we have a conference room here.
Yes.
Okay. We use a conference room here, and you often use the conference room. So I
Yes,
know we also have a linear type there. So could you please show us?
Okay, let's move to our
Yes,
conference
please.
room. Okay, so usually, you know, Albert, in the conference room or our office, we often use like the many panel lights,
and
many
downlight.
downlights. Yes,
But they are common, common products.
yes, but this time we use the unique design. Yes, you can see the our design of this series. We use a long linear here.
I think this one is same as the one we just saw there, but we just connected them together, right?
Yes.
And you know the standard product's length is 1.2 meters. And here we make 3 pieces connected together, means 3.6 meters.
Yes.
So if the clients require, we can even make like 4.8 maybe, right? 4.8 or 6 meters,
Yes.
super long products. So
Okay.
you can see the lights here.
Yes, we just focus on our conference room's chair.
Okay, this is for you.
Yes, and that is for you. Yes, see here, we are like a boss.
Okay.
Okay. Albert,
Yeah.
I know we have a big promotion today. Could you please introduce the promotion to our audience?
Yes, actually the promotion is not only today.
Okay.
But in the whole fair time, like from 15 to 24 June. So if you place the order in this period, you can get, you know, like 10% discount if
Yes.
your order is about $20,000.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see the poster, all right? And the second phase is from 25th June to 5th July, okay?
Yes.
If you don't make up to catch the order, it's okay. In the second phase, you can get 6% discounts still.
Okay.
So follow us and ask our colleagues for more information and prepare to order.
Yes, okay, so please place the order, buy our products now, but don't leave our channel. We have the next big decorated live show, and our colleague is prepared that yet. Okay, so let's see another show.
Okay, see you today, bye.